Ebi bigambirwa mu mpaka zo kwajana ningashi debate ahabwe ihanga ryona eziri kugenda mu misho muri Mpigi kandi zitebekanisiibwa ba Uganda National Students Association kandi nizihindira hari St Joseph of Nazareth omuri Mpigi.
Debate nebire nti eporishingira ibintu byinje munonga ebibase kuyinyuma ekareta Uganda yitu yatandika kutera nkuzo mu somero ya secondary 2019 kashanga like buri mwaka haba ucyo bakwita strike on masomero kandi naza kureba nti debate itayishomero ryitwe bamaze kuji introduce ngabagitesa n'amane mingi tore ngo abana ito twenka tugezaho kwihabura tseme kwanti gena kai umushomero tukigambaho itwenka abana na administration kimanya
zaho jechu wageze bakweta ngo zo public speech ningo jechu agambira abantu oteti no testamera cyonto cyawe tokamanya that's the best of you tokamanya cyonto cyawe kibasa kwisiyahare kuko nakugambira ninga cyambara ibirizi konkesha handi Mpigi abwa ecyonto cyanje cyo gamba.
Amashomero agejumbiro mu entebeekanisa gasimirwe kandi agatari kuvyejumbira muna munonga gombyaro gashabiro kutandika ahabo burungi bwo kutyaza beji.
So no sanga some schools maybe the head teachers or the teachers they don't emphasize more on this thing. Mbabirange mtyo kushishobwire instead mbiyamba Abeegi. So maybe no sanga if the administration is not supporting that thing at the Abeegi where there is no way they will come to know about this thing.
Bwana kanye ko mwebembezi wa UNSA nyenda kusima munonga ba head teachers abo bona abari munonga bo kurwo mu byaro mashomero ga kurwo mu byaro ushanga ari n'amashomero ga rugo ko za Kisoro Karamoja Gargachori Gargaruwa oko hari ukashanga ngo batamamani kurebeka ngo bija ishomero nkarubirizi ryandeke secondary school kushanga ngabana bari aha twi nabana babudo twi nabana bari mu mashomero agaga Kampala abakuga wa Kiso district amashomero agakureba ngo kosa abana babashe mu kirebe bose ro mutawoni bose barebere bintu ukoshanga kamashomero nago garwo goko za rubirizo ko munda kandetse secondary school nabo batamamani kurebeka ngo bija Kurgarubirizi ndeke secondary school Chichwamba high school na St Joseph nigo gazoekire district.
Though we had received some catastrophic events at school, but then you were able to hold your arm in your heart and then you allowed us to come and participate and then we grow out our talents, we as the debating club.
Impaka zitanchiro rwo kubanza kanijija ku rwa katano omugandi amashomero agazwekire cyanga cya ankore omumpaka za National MDD Festival gariyon gakora kurungi omuri Uganda.
Icyanga cya ankore kizwekirwe amashomero mukaga kandi agagona gariyon gakora kurungi gebembirwe Mbarara Junior School ishomero eryizire ryebembira kandi okurwo mucyangeki Mbarara Municipal twine integrated Ibanda twine integrated Kinoni twine nagandi hagarumu St Helens.
So far this is day 3 kandi turebe ibintu byone bigendaje aho twaherezeho items kwikanka mukaga kandi abana bari performing aje munonga kandi tureba mu safutungo mwanya murunje munonga
twine nagachirmani agaramu Uganda Road na Chivugo Blue Oasis Tennessee Valley ariyo na za Clevers Origin kandi agagona bihine ryo korabya mwerisho twashika aha cyo kwayahayana so stegerize ngu empakezi zibase kuba zihendera ahizo baryo rwa katano aho musinguzi arije kuba naranjirwa kandi akakasubwa engabo eyo mwako.
Amashomero 136 niko gariyon gahayahayana okurwo mu ihanga ryona. Empakezi zishajura ba Presidential Initiative on Banana Development n'ekigenderera cyo kujanja jo muranga gwo kutungura kingwa cye kitoche omuyihanga no kucyongera omutindo. Gasha kwa Onesimus Ndyanabo na Eli Akiza.